Ja, sveiki dar kartelį. Wasabi. Kaip ir žadėjau, pabandysim dabar į sekso liniją prisiskambinti kokį nors ir angliškai pasišnekėti su moterim. Pasižiūrėsim, ar jos taip pat seksualiai gali šnekėti angliškai, kaip šneka lietuviškai. Man asmeniškai tai yra įdomu. Aš tikiuosi, sudomins tai ir jūs. Pabandom. Oi, pirmas, kuris pasitaiko iš karto po ranka, aš tiesiog drąsiai skambinu. Taip, mokestis už pokalbį minutę, 50 litų, trampam, čia neįdomu visiškai.
Prašome palaukti.
Jau seksualu. Hello? Hello, am I speaking to someone?
O tu ją norėjai?
Hello,
Visada, iškart.
Oh my God.
Kartą norėjai.
Oh, what is happening over here?
Nu, tau turbūt nebuvo skaudė, ne?
No, not at all.
Nu, pas jūs kitas dalykas.
Excuse me, do you hear me at all? Hello?
Ačiū.
Lady?
Alio?
Hello?
Dabar aš su tavim kalbu.
Alright, that's great. You speaking with me, as I hear clearly?
I wear little so speak English.
Excuse me, you're able or unable to speak English?
I don't understand what is it able.
Are you able to make me horny, please?
No, I cannot.
Why is that? I would like you to make my sexual fantasies to come true. I really like your voice.
You like my voice?
Very, very much.
How are you? What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
How old are you?
I'm 32. And what is your name, girl?
My name is Yana.
Yana is a sexy name.
I'm 28.
Oh, so you are a very young and nasty girl. How are you dressed, baby girl?
I bet you speak English.
But you can try. You can say you are naked, or you have anything to wear. You wear any laundry. Let's say you wear bra.
I don't understand what you said for me.
Oh, that's pity. You know how to suck cock? You're laughing.
You said me slowly and more words.
Okay.
No more words.
Oh, no more words.
No, 1, 2 words. I am understand. When going more words, and I not understand.
Not easy for you to understand English, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll be slow.
Yes.
Do you
I'm
like
yes.
to suck?
What is a suck?
Suck means when you put a dick in your mouth.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and you suck a dick. Do you like sucking a dick?
Yes.
Tell me, how do you do it?
I'm have your penny in my mouth.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, you want it?
Of course.
Oh. I want. Do it.
Come on, baby, do it. Suck it. Show me how you suck it.
I suck your penis. I want your penis. Put it in my mouth.
Yes, that's good.
You understand?
Yes, of course.
I very want you.
I know.
You know?
Yes, I can hear that.
I want you real.
You want me what?
I want you really.
Really?
You really? Yes, really.
Oh my God, that's great.
Or you? And you?
Of course, always. Where should I come? You want me to arrive anywhere?
I not understand.
You want me?
Want you? Yes.
Yes. In real?
In real.
So, when and where?
In what time you eat?
Pardon me? One more time. What did you say?
I am in Klaipėda, and you?
No, I'm not. I'm in Kaunas, if true to say. Yeah, but it's not a problem for me to go to Klaipėda.
Yes?
Yeah, it's just a couple of hours.
I not remember. What is your name?
My name is Andrew.
Andrew?
Yay. Andrew the Big Dick.
What? Andrew?
Yes, the Big Dick. I used to, you know, how to say really, I don't really know how to explain in English for you more easily, but I really like to fuck. So would you like me to come to Klaipėda maybe?
Maybe.
All right, so I can do it today or I can do it tomorrow. When do you want me?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I must think. Look at.
Okay, try to say it. You must think or you must finish your job.
Finish a job.
When you finish?
I'm understand. I'm finish a job. Job.
When? At 12? At 1 o'clock? At 2? Okay, baby, listen up. Try to put your vocabulary, try to put it on the list, write for yourself, and I will call you later, and you will say me in English that, all right?
I don't understand.
I will call you later. Okay?
And you call me later. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Try to learn some English. All right?
What is it try to learn?
Try to get your vocabulary more rich. All right?
All right.
And I will give you as many euros as you want. See you. Bye.
Okay.
Tos įdomios moteris. Aš tikiuosi, jūs turėjot gerą laiko, nes aš jau vos tvardžiausi. Va čia tai anglų, va čia tai noras užsidirbti.